This boat's equipped with quad 425 horsepower Yamaha XTO 4-stroke engines. As part of this Helmmaster system, you have a throttle control binnacle on the starboard side of the steering wheel, and you have a Yamaha joystick on the port side. The Yamaha throttle control, as part of the Helmmaster system on this boat, has many nice features. So now let's just give you a quick overview of what this throttle control can do. Of course, you have a handle on each side that controls the speed and the shifting of the gears. You have a series of buttons on the aft end of this control binnacle. You have speed control, station, trim assist, single lever, center engine, and free throttle. These are all features that are explained in your Yamaha control manual. The trim control button that controls all 4 motors is located on the port throttle stick. To raise all 4 motors, you press the up position. To lower them down to the tucked position, you press down. There are also individual control buttons located on the front of the throttle control. You can trim each motor individually to the up position. For port, you press the port button on the front of the binnacle. Port inside, you press the port and the center. Starboard inside, you press the starboard and the center. And for starboard outside, you'll press just the starboard button. The trim and tilt feature is available so that you can lift the engines out of the water when you're storing the boat in the water, or when you're running the boat, you can trim the engines up to adjust the attitude of the boat. You'll never want to trim the engines all the way up while you're running them. The trim control is to adjust the attitude of the boat while she's running. So don't trim it up past the point where you have the engines up out of the water. On the port side of the steering wheel, we have the Yamaha joystick control. This joystick control allows you to dock the boat without touching the throttles or the steering wheel. All 4 of your Yamaha engines work with the Helmmaster control system in unison to allow the boat to move in the direction in which you'd like to move it. It has a set point feature, a joystick feature as well. The joystick is for maneuvering, and set point is to keep you held in one spot. The joystick handle on the Yamaha Helmmaster control allows you to propel the boat forward, aft. You can steer forward by rotating the stick slightly and pushing in the direction in which you'd like to have the boat go. Works on both port and starboard sides. You can move the boat sideways by moving and rotating the stick to adjust bow and stern attitude. Same for the starboard side. Push it to starboard, allow you to adjust the bow and the stern. And the same holds true for backing up. In reverse, you can pull the stick backward and steer yourself by rotating the control handle. The Yamaha manual and the information contained in the owner's packet that you received when you got the boat gives you a full rundown on all the features and operation of this Yamaha joystick control system.